Advanced hobbyist and creator 3D pen. Common retailer pricing varies. Many sellers listed between roughly $79 to $99 depending on kit and colorway. The Create Plus is where 3D pen tech gets serious for teens, artists, and adults who want better control, more filament options, and a pen that can do both intricate details and broader structural fills. Compared to kid-safe pens, Create Plus runs hotter and supports standard 1.75 mm style filaments designed for higher stiffness and more durable creations. The pen's dual drive and improved internal mechanisms, the Create Plus refresh addressed nozzle clogging and feed reliability, mean you can maintain steady flow when doing both thin filigree and thicker fills for models. Retail kits often include a set of refill filaments, a stencil or guide, and sometimes stands or extra nozzles depending on the bundle. Expect some variance between retailers on what's included. The 3Doodler brand and its store pages also position Create Plus as the go-to for makers who want the tactile freedom of pen drawing but with the material strength closer to small 3D printed parts. So, how does it feel on camera? Premium and intentional. Heavier than toy pens. Tactile feedback from the feed mechanism and the ability to dial in speed for different tasks makes it satisfying to use for demos. Users often compliment the Create Plus on its reduced clogging and durability versus earlier generations, and many creators like that a wider set of filaments are supported. Cons to call out: it's a step up in price from kids' pens, and because it runs hotter and uses stronger plastics, it's not for very small kids or unsupervised younger users. Pros: excellent control, more filament choices, re-engineered internals for reliability. Cons: higher price bracket than entry-level pens and the usual learning curve for good prints. If you want a pen that becomes a real creative tool rather than a toy, this is the one. And yes, we share buy links in description box.